This 5-minute solution will show you how to hide profile view history on TikTok. If you don't want to share your profile view histories, just follow these quick steps. Go ahead and launch the TikTok app. Tap on Profile. Tap on this hamburger menu at the top right. Settings and Privacy. Tap on Privacy. Scroll down. Tap on Profile Views. If it's turned on, you can see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days. And to hide your profile view history, simply disable this option. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.